Hi there, and welcome to this short video on our Pre-16 digital workshops delivered by the University of Southampton. Firstly, I want to talk about all the things that we wanted to achieve from the outset as a widening participation team so that your students can get the most from our workshops. The first is that we wanted to create an animated academic journey so that we can support your students through the various stages of their education, starting from their time in primary school through to secondary, further education and onto university study. The second was to ensure that we delivered sessions to a high quality, and we were lucky enough to work with a production company in London to assist us in the creation. We know that online delivery can at times be unreliable, so we came to the decision to produce on-demand content that can be flexible around you. Next, we really wanted to create a new identity for our Learn With Us programme. Learn With Us has been around for a long time and we're really proud of what we've been able to deliver in the past. But we know that we were due a refresh and an update, so this will be the start of what our programme will go on to be. Lastly, we really wanted our content to be fit for a post-COVID world, and in the future we will utilise both staff and student ambassadors to be able to deliver our workshops in person to your students, but with the benefit of all the resources that we would have created during this project. As part of our Learn With Us programme, we've created 4 workshops that combine film, animation and a workbook to help students look at the bigger picture, understand the different stages of education and provide them with the toolkit to support their journey to university. On the left hand side you'll see Elliot, who is our main presenter and will lead the students into the various activities throughout the session. We're really proud to say that all of our workshops are available for students in year 7 to 10 across England for those that attend non-selective state-funded schools. The workshops are simple and effective. We simply send you the booklets, the answer cards, the session notes and the video links, and you just simply hit play and go. The students may well need some support during the session, but all of this is outlined for you within your teacher's notes. The content is also modular, so it can be completed in one lesson or over multiple lessons. So if you'd like to complete this perhaps during tutor time throughout the course of the week, then you're absolutely free to do so. The content is also tailored to each year group, and we've designed each workshop to match where the student is in their individual academic journey. This also means that we're able to change and update our content year on year to make sure that we keep up with all the various changes that we tend to see in education. There aren't any compulsory live elements throughout the workshop, but you can request a live Q&A to be part of a post-workshop activities if you would like our student ambassadors to speak to your students in the classroom. Finally, this activity hits Gatsby Benchmark 7, Encounters with Further and Higher Education. Our workshops include session aims, which is individual to specific year groups, practical activities throughout, and sections for self-reflection and a collection of evaluation. If you'd like to see more of our workshops, we have our taster video on our YouTube channel called Learn With Us Southampton. If you'd like to book, please follow the link on screen to make your booking, and we'd be more than happy to send your booklets out to school as soon as we possibly can. If you have any further questions, we'd be delighted to hear from you, and you can reach us on our email address, which is outreach@sotton.ac.uk.